Hello. In this video, I am going to explain a very interesting problem in Android system which I came across recently. This problem is related with the Android key store. So if you are not aware about the Android key store already, you can go to the official developer side of Android and read about it. So issue is this: if we clear the data of any system app which is using a shared user ID as android.uid.system, then it will also clear the instance of Android key store. Now, in my observation, so this Android key store instance is the same for all the system apps who are using the same shared user ID. Hence, all other system app will lose their key materials which is stored in Android key store. So let's see how this can be affected. There are two flows. Let's say if our app is performing any encryption or decryption operation, then managing the key material is the risky task. So usually we store our key material with the Android key store, obviously, because it's the safest place. And then second flow is let's say if our app is using encrypted shared preference actually comes with the Jetpack security library of Android itself. So this class uses the Android key store to store its master key. If you want to know more about encrypted shared preference, yes, you can go to official documents, or you can check out my blog which explains how encrypted shared preference works internally, and also this blog has the details about this issue which I'm going to show in this video. So yeah, uh, I have made two sample system app to explain this issue. So this is first test system app, where in the manifest file we have mentioned this shared user ID, correct? This is the second system test app where I have not mentioned any shared user ID. Here I have mentioned, and in other app, in this app I have mentioned, in this second app I have not mentioned. So here is the Pixel emulator where I have installed both the apps. Now let me open the first app. Here we have two buttons, add and get. So simply when we press add, first of all it will add one static key to my it will perform encryption operation on my static key, and it will store the master secret to Android key store. And when I press get, it will decrypt my key value using the master secret which is stored in Android key store. So let me press this add button. It is saying test key is already not persisted, so it is persisting now. If I press it again, it will say test key is already persisted. If I press this multiple times, it will say the same. So our add action is done actually. So we have added one ABCD text, we encrypted that text, and we put our master secret in Android key store. So if I press the get here, it is decrypting and giving me value back ABCD, right? So this is very simple app. Similarly, we can check out the second app as well, where I have add button which will persist this value. See, the value is persisted. Now if I say get, it will give me the value. Now we need one more system app which has this which is using this shared user ID. So the settings app of Android does that. So if I go to settings app, this is my settings app, correct? So I open settings app, I go to storage, and here we have clear data. So I will say the clear data of settings app. So now I have cleared the data of settings app, and it should not affect any other apps, correct? So first I will take the second app which is not using this shared user ID. So I'll say get, and we can see that we can still get this value, right? Now I will go to first app and I will perform get operation. Now we can see master secret is null. That means we tried to fetch the master secret to decrypt our value, but it does not get the master secret. and it all happened because of the second app was using shared user ID. So currently I did not find any official document to support my statement, but you can try out this by storing your secrets in Android Key Store, or you can simply start using encrypted shared preference. Both the ways, if you tried, you will get the same issue. So yeah, this was about the issue. Thanks for watching the video.